Take a ride in the 2016 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.